Tough Lover guys, welcome back to another episode of a channel. On our channel, special for to our members. Bit of a last minute episode. We're going pig hunting. It's been 2 days now. The pig's been attacking our plantation. So we're just gonna walk there. Right now it's a little after 7:30, quarter to 8, and we're just gonna walk there to check if we can catch them. We're hearing dogs. If you guys can hear them, they're actually barking. So those are the dogs of other families, but hopefully it's because of pigs, not because of other dogs. Got our light on. Hopefully that'll help. There we go. Yeah. So we're gonna head off. Me and Pa, we're gonna hit the plantation. Hopefully we'll try and catch them on the way. Howdy, Pa. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's just me and Pa much a bit. That's all we're using. Finally followed. Yeah, or cái mì, cái kia mua phong à cắm ở cái mì, cái ngọn sập bệt vào đi phong, có cái độ đồ, pa đi nữa, cố vậy, giờ nó, almost at the gate. All right, finally here at the gate. Yeah, she made from a color beer. Oh. Yeah. Hopefully this will be one of our many night episodes we will be looking into. All right, try and minimize the noise. Hope the pigs don't hear me breathing hard. So you guys see that? It's one of the many taros that have been damaged from these damn pigs. There's another one there. Used to be just cows, but I mean, we did have the pig problem, but it's been quite a long time since we had a pig problem. Yeah. So all these for your uncle, man. Siu kelleä. Ai akkiar kammaan. Mun mielestä Holy shit. A kua le ripa. Okay. Ole I kua. So. Qua đây giờ nghĩ mẹ đi. Shit. Kau lungok se awala pu ai ngari pa. Wa ku pikore mama mai. Lokwa pe. Lunga. All right, guys. All right, so it's not the best day, but this is the reality of farming here in Samoa, and it's something we've really tried our best for assistance. Obviously, the pig traps are such an expensive thing that our moat or our goal is to plant as much taro as we can to account the loss from pigs. So it's very unfortunate, but this is why we always try our best to plant as much taro as we can, given the land we have. I'm just gonna walk a bit down this side. One upside is that it seems like it's only the Samoa Lua variety or the red variety that they have a preference for, which is good, so that we can probably stop planting that variety, and also the salangi or the saiko. But yeah, guys, this is part of the reason why always gotta be resilient when being a farmer. It's because things such as this really take a toll on the mental health and the stress levels. Yeah, oh well. Hopefully we can get a pig trap soon from the Ministry of Agriculture, as we've been trying to for quite a while. Angai okay yala lo nga oh. Ye wi ngara wala pu ara irunga yu. Afika koila wi nga ai. Kifa mai fa apea le fiafi mai ya pokil piko ilunga yu. Ya o rola i lako fat. Wale kau ke lo le yala ai ngare yung pu ai. Alright, Pa just down there doing just a few checks down that end before we head back. I think the timing, I don't know, we may be timing it wrong, but maybe we can try again tomorrow to get the timing right. I still feel like we're a bit early, but it'll be nice to come and camp out here. One of the bad things about here is that the wind comes from that side, so if the pigs are traveling from that side, the wind will be carrying our scent down towards that end. But given that I feel like they're family pigs, not wild pigs, we should be okay. But I don't know, maybe we got the timing wrong, but this was because you know, it was an urgent matter and me and I wanted to come look at as soon as possible, because it's been 2 days now and the pigs have been continuing eating the plantation. And it doesn't help that we only have a knife. Ko ngai fa le fia fi male kai au ai ngo I do wa I dai ko pa se e yo ka ma Kinga me I se mai mar povi
Mulanga ba no
ka whakakala ki ki o kawa veo e. Alright guys, sorry about the lighting, but just got a bit of an update. Me and Pa have been standing in the dark for the past 5-10 minutes. But we've just turned on our lights because we started hearing sounds of tree branches breaking. So Pa's just walking down there, down towards that end. If you guys can see the light there. Let me turn off my light. If you guys can see the light down there. That's Pa trying to find out where the pig is. But I'm standing on this side with the knife in case it comes this way. Sorry about the black screen, guys. Sorry about the whispering. Sorry about everything. I feel like I'm apologizing to my wife. I hope she doesn't watch this episode. I can hear tree branches breaking as well. I've just turned on my light just a little bit. Yeah.
Suara po. Sang bali sa o mana I ora wodi. Mai do ku.
Whakawhakawhang ta usu.
Suara po.
Ai do la sa vania o.
A ro du mai ku ni. Mo. Mo. Ku ore du mai ki ni. Ada o fa ti. Mai de
Sim. Ai no la polva veo.
Po ala ban. Sa va dia ku ai ku di diu me ro la au. Ku o mai de.
Alright guys, so it's yeah?
Tôi phải của mình.
Mày ok như vậy.
Ôi, ok như vậy.
Aka koko anga mela ya fia.
Ya, mình xin ra đâu món mô đi.
Mặt kai au fu. All right, so fortunately we couldn't catch the pig today. Hopefully we will find it with our usual trips. We'll try and do evening trips and morning trips as well. But you know, it's just that we want to get down to the problem as soon as possible. Hopefully the pigs stop before we get to them. One thing we're thinking of is tying the dogs here at the plantation. But then, you know, just going through different kinds of quick solutions at the moment. But yeah, guys, if we do plan to come again, hopefully we'll be successful next time. We'll definitely do another episode. But if you enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. And we'll see you soon. Ano apa? Warung siya. Pinga kakomi. Oh. Ni fingo fiya do lang na. Fifa ko nga. Fam. Yang mau was Skype. Ya. Aku ngupo ya ngi episode. Ya mo fo yo lo fai. Fo ide ki nga e po amale. Po. Ya si kau ko ngai fai fo ko mang ko meo. Ya ma ko fo mang me ko. Ol ka ko ngar benga fai fakas. Mula nga iruma. Ay mang wieked. Fo fo ngo ko ngi fiafi. Tu hu.